Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is class 11th, subject economics, higher secondary school, Khumriyal, and topic is difference. Topic is data. Subtopic is difference between primary and secondary data. Now, question is, what is discussed or difference between primary and secondary data? We know that data are data whether it is primary or secondary. The data, when collected by the investigator from the source of its origin, it is called primary data. And when the same data is collected from any agency or an institution, it is called secondary data. Now, the main differences of the main differences between primary and secondary data are as under number one, difference in originality. We know that primary data is that data which is obtained from the respondent by the investigator directly. So the information is purely original. There is no doubt about it. While the secondary data are already in existence and therefore are not original. So this is the main difference between primary and secondary data. Primary data is original, and while secondary data it is already made, it is already obtained, it is already obtained by the person or by the investigator and handed it over to any agency or any institution, then it becomes the secondary data. Now, what is the main difference between the primary and secondary data? Data, as we know, data are data, but primary data is obtained directly from the respondent by the investigator, while the same data when obtained from any institution or from any person, third person, it is called secondary data. So the primary data is much more original and pure. Number two, difference in suitability of objective. We know that when primary data is collected, it is collected for some specific purpose or objective. Without any purpose or specific purpose or objective, we cannot collect the primary data. We cannot collect the data. If it is collected, then it has only numerical value, but it cannot be called statistical data. While the data therefore do not need any while the secondary data do not need any objective or any any motive. So because these are already existing and are like with any institution or any person, they are the primary data. When handed over to any person or any institution, then it becomes the secondary data. So this is the main difference in suitability of objective. We know that primary data is collected for some specific objective of the by the investigator. Thus, these data therefore do not need any the specific of it is difference in the suitability of objective. Primary data are always related to specific objective of the investigator. These data therefore do not need any adjustment for the concerned study. On the other hand, secondary data have already been collected for some other purpose. Therefore, These data need to be adjusted to suit the objective of study in hand. Number third, difference in cost of collection. As we know, primary data are costlier in terms of time, money, and efforts involved than the secondary data. This is because the primary data are collected for first time from the source of the origin. Secondary data are collected from the unpublished or published source or reports. So these are much less expensive एज़ कम्पेयर टू प्राइमरी डेटा। ये जो प्राइमरी डेटा होता है ये कॉस्टलियर होता है, क्योंकि ये खुद इन्वेस्टिगेटर उसको डोर टू डोर जाना पड़ता है ये इंफॉर्मेशन हासिल करने के लिए। वाइल द सेकेंडरी डेटा इट इज़ ऑलरेडी मेड, it is the same data but it is lying with any institution or any person. A man or a needy person can go to the institution and he can get it from there, so it is not much costlier as is primary data. So this is all for the today. Hope that you will understand it at home. Be safe there and work hard. इसको घर में लिखना और इसको बार बार रिपीट करके देखना ताकि आपको समझ आ जाएगा। क्योंकि प्राइमरी डेटा असल में प्राइमरी डेटा और सेकेंडरी डेटा में क्या फ़र्क है। प्राइमरी डेटा हम पहले से इसको फर्स्ट टाइम इसको ऑब्टेन करते हैं रेस्पोंडेंट से, जबकि यही डेटा अगर किसी ऑब्टेन हासिल करके किसी दूसरे आदमी के पास या किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन के पास हम भेज देंगे इसको, तब ये बनता है सेकेंडरी डेटा। तो मुझे उम्मीद है आपको ये समझ आया होगा। आप सब घर पे आराम से बैठिए और सेफ रहिए। तब कल तक अस्सलाम वालेकुम।